Rack pulls, lower back exercise for beginners. When it comes to building a strong and resilient back, there are numerous exercises to choose from. One exercise that often gets overlooked, especially by beginners, is the rack pull. This compound movement targets the lower back muscles, providing a solid foundation for a well-rounded back workout routine. In this guide, we'll explore the benefits, proper form, and tips for beginners looking to incorporate rack pulls into their fitness regimen. Firstly, what are the benefits of rack pulls? Before delving into the specifics of how to perform rack pulls, let's first understand the benefits of this exercise for beginners. 1. Lower back strengthening. Rack pulls specifically target the lower back muscles, including the erector spinae. Strengthening these muscles is crucial for maintaining good posture and preventing lower back pain. 2. Improved posture. A strong lower back contributes to better posture, reducing the risk of slouching or hunching over. This is essential for both everyday life and athletic performance. 3. Enhanced deadlift performance. Rack pulls are often used as an accessory exercise to improve deadlift strength. By strengthening the lower back, you can increase your deadlift performance. How to perform rack pulls? Now, let's break down the steps to perform rack pulls correctly. Step 1. Setup. Position the barbell on a power rack or squat rack at knee height or slightly lower. Make sure the bar is centered and secured with collars. Step 2. Stance and grip. Stand in front of the bar with your feet hip-width apart or slightly wider. Bend at the hips and knees to lower your body down. Keep your chest up and your spine in a neutral position. Grasp the bar with a pronated, overhand grip, with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Step 3. Lift. Push through your heels and straighten your hips and knees to lift the bar. Keep it close to your body. Stand tall and straight, with your shoulders pulled back and your chest up. Engage your core for stability. Step 4. Lower. To lower the bar, bend at the hips and knees while maintaining proper form. Lower the bar to the starting position on the rack. Some tips for beginners. 1. Start with light weights. If you're new to rack pulls, begin with a light weight to practice proper form. Focus on maintaining a neutral spine and good posture throughout the exercise. 2. Gradually increase weight. As you become more comfortable with the movement, progressively increase the weight to challenge your lower back muscles. 3. Warm up. Always warm up your lower back and core before performing rack pulls to prevent injury. Dynamic stretches and light sets of the exercise can help. 4. Use a lifting belt. Consider using a lifting belt for additional lower back support, especially when lifting heavier weights. 5. Consult a professional. If you're uncertain about your form or have any concerns, it's a good idea to consult with a fitness professional or a personal trainer. Rack pulls are an effective exercise for beginners looking to strengthen their lower back and improve overall back health. By following the proper form and incorporating them into a well-rounded workout routine, you can enjoy the benefits of enhanced lower back strength, improved posture, and better deadlift performance. Remember to start with light weights, warm up properly, and seek professional guidance if needed to maximize the benefits and reduce the risk of injury. With dedication and consistency, you'll be well on your way to a stronger, healthier lower back. Please like, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more health and fitness updates.